Needle nose. Let's go.
On your home. Fucking plug clamp. You go act right today. Just the working. God damn. I do have something cool to show you guys.
Look at the feet on it, yo. Look at the feet. She got some whip. Look at that.
Oh, dude. I was actually worried about those not fitting. And then they fit like great. Because offset definitely means a lot.
Yes.
But if you guys recognize these wheels, you got the front and back. The other side right now is actually different because we don't have the other set of wheels on. But these were the old S60 wheels, and if you've been with us for a while, you know that. But now it's on here, so you're probably wondering what's on the other one. Well, you're not going to know until a couple weeks when it gets warmer out.
When it's warmer, we're going to make, you know, something fresh for y'all to look at and admire a little something. But we back on the 850 today. We're going to get the PCV valve system wrapped up. Tyler actually just changed the coolant temp switch, which is right here. That's a brand new one of those.
Oh, whoa, whoa.
You guys know we changed the cam positioning sensor. We have a new mass air sensor. We got a whole bunch of things new. So today, let's get all the vacuum lines. We're gonna get them all plumbed and wrapped up. And then hopefully close to getting the intake manifold back on. Let's get it going.
So if you guys have worked on 850s before, or any kind of old Volvo that has a turbo system, it's not easy to find your diagrams for how the vacuum lines go around, and then the EGR system, your fuel tank system, all that stuff is difficult to find if you don't know what you're looking for, and that's how me and Rico are right now. We have no idea. But other than that, it's kind of just a, hey, let's see what we can find offline and see what we can remember, because this is a nightmare to get back together. Various color coordinated diagrams. We have a couple of different ones that can help us reference. EGR system. If you're not one of those guys that have been working on these when they came out and forever, then you're probably gonna also be in the same spot we are. As of now, we're gonna get to it and start working on this beast and hopefully get the PCV system together, maybe the intake manifold back on, who knows?
Let's get her done. So right now, I just got this bottom sleeve on, so I pushed it on this backside first, and it angles down just a hair because this hole is just a slight offset a little farther down, so you gotta make sure you put it on the right way. I installed the clamps before I did that. So now, just getting the clamps lined up in a good spot so I can squeeze them. You know, there's special clamp tools you can use, but we're old school and we shade tree, we use some old schools. We're gonna push that back a little bit with the pliers. Try not to nick the hose. I don't recommend doing this, but like I said, got a little practice. All right guys, so if you use these clamps, you gotta squeeze the life out of them, but that's not going anywhere. If you guys can see, I can't push that with my finger at all. You can even try with the pliers, it's not budging. So I think that's tight enough. I'm gonna do the same thing now for this inside one. I'm going to squeeze it close and making sure the gap is good all the way around on it. So we're good. That's tight, that's tight.
When you're doing your PCV system, you wanna make sure you have these main components done, because once you put your intake manifold back on, it's gonna really cause issues if you don't have these done. So this top hose, that goes to the top of your valve cover. That'll go to your back left one, which is right there. This one will go to the left side of your manifold. There's a little nipple on the manifold that this will connect into. This piece right here will fit to the top side that's actually open right there. And then it runs all the way this way back to your intake pipe where your PTC fitting is, and that's where you'll be done with your PCV system. Let's continue.
Let's go. I imagine wish these cars weren't so foreign to me.
I'm so angry now.
Yeah, I mean, look what the area I'm working in. I got more space to wipe my ass. I mean, it's gonna be fun when the boost is running right and it's turned up stuff, but right now it's a pain in the I don't care what anybody says. If you like working on these, you have a problem. Whee! It's a booty hole, man. I hate these damn clips. They put my glasses on. That. They take my eyes with this damn thing. It's a nightmare and a half. This I'm going home.
You're already home, bro.
Damn, you're right. Son of
let me get
home. You at the same time, this sucks.
You're gonna have to bring it out from where you go. Just like that. I can't see.
The problem is there's no leverage to close this prick.
Needle nose. Let's go.
On your home. Fucking plug clamp. You go act right today. Just the working. God damn. You hear giggles over there?
Dude, my stomach. He's gonna call me Chuckles. I'm okay with it.
Am I breaking other now? What the This is some what a shit. She's still not tight. You. Squish the out of you. Squish the life out of you. You still like going your home. You piece of Volvos. Sweetest. And I got Swedish in my blood. How's that work? I would never resign no like this. Watch, I'm gonna smash my fingers. I'm gonna be hot. I'm gonna break everything in this when that happens. You going on today? I'm done with you. He did it.
He did it. Rico did it.
He did it. He did it. Please like and subscribe and tell all your friends and family about it. Another adventurous Volvo video. So, the 850 here. You see we made some beautiful progress. On that note, your boy Big Reek, your boy Tyler behind that camera. We whip getters. And this is the 850 Volvo. Here we out.